In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of CapCut. Whether you're switching devices, troubleshooting an issue, or simply stepping away for a while, knowing how to properly log out of your account is an important step to secure your projects and personal information. CapCut, a powerful video editing app, makes this process simple and straightforward, but it's always helpful to have a quick walkthrough to ensure no steps are missed. So let's get started and guide you through the process step by step. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start exploring its features. First, open the CapCut app on your device. This is the starting point for everything, as you need to be in the app to access your account settings. Once the app is open, you'll find yourself on the main screen where all of your editing projects and tools are displayed. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you should see your profile icon. This icon is your gateway to all of your personal settings and account information. Depending on your account type, it might look a little different. For some, it could show your profile picture, while for others, it might appear as an avatar or even just a generic silhouette. Don't worry if it's not immediately obvious. Just take a moment to scan the area, and you'll find it. Once you've located the profile icon, go ahead and tap on it. This action will open up the menu where all your core account options are stored. Think of this menu as your personal dashboard. It's where you can manage your account details, preferences, and more. Now, let's move further into the menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom here. You'll find the option to log out or sign out of your account. This setting is intentionally placed at the bottom of the menu. Why? To prevent accidental logouts. After all, you wouldn't want to tap it by mistake while navigating through your settings. So, take your time as you scroll down to locate the option. Once you've found the logout option, tap on it. This is the key step that disconnects your account from the current device. Don't worry, this won't impact any of your saved projects or settings. Everything you've worked on stays safe and accessible the next time you log in. At this point, the app may ask you to confirm your action. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to log out. This extra step is there to make sure you don't sign out unintentionally. So take a quick moment to double-check, and once you're certain, go ahead and confirm. Now, just wait as the app processes your request. It will log you out of your session and redirect you to the main login screen. This ensures that your account is fully secure and ready for the next time you need to log in, whether it's on the same device or a different one. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your CapCut account. By following these steps, you've ensured that your account and projects remain secure while still being accessible when you need them. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.